Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. wcoin launch. Everything you need to know about the big debut. wcoin is about to make waves in the cryptocurrency world, and you don't want to miss out on what's coming. From the upcoming listing to exciting community initiatives, there's a lot happening with wcoin, and we've got the inside scoop. Let's dive into the latest details, including the wcoin listing, airdrop, price predictions, and more. wcoin launch date rescheduled. What does this mean? Originally, wcoin was slated for an earlier launch, but there's been a slight change of plans. The official wcoin listing will now take place on February 25, 2025. So why the delay? It's all about perfecting the launch. This extra time allows the team to fine-tune the technical side of things and make sure everything's in place for a smooth and successful entry into the market. The goal is to create the best possible experience for users, and this strategic decision sets up wcoin for long-term success. Introducing the Vouchers pre-market, a sneak peek into the ecosystem. Before the official token generation event, TG, wcoin is giving users a taste of the action with the Vouchers pre-market. Here's how it works. You can exchange your wcoin holdings for vouchers on the getgems.io marketplace. These vouchers are a great way to get involved in the wcoin ecosystem before the official token launch. The best part? Once the TG goes live, you can convert those vouchers back into $coin tokens, seamlessly integrating into the broader wcoin economy. It's a great way to dive into the community and build momentum ahead of the big launch. The inactivity burn policy, keeping the community active. wcoin is committed to keeping its community engaged, and that's where the inactivity burn policy comes in. If users don't log into the wcoin Telegram game for 3 consecutive days, a 5% reduction in their token allocation will happen every day until they return. It's a smart way to encourage active participation and ensure the ecosystem remains dynamic. But don't worry, WGalaxy members, the premium version of wcoin, are exempt from this policy, giving them extra perks and rewards. wcoin airdrop, 70% of tokens for the community. One of the most exciting aspects of the wcoin launch is the massive airdrop that's set to reward its loyal community. A whopping 70% of the total token supply is allocated to the airdrop. To qualify, make sure you verify your wcoin account, connect your TON wallet, and get ready to engage in daily tasks and staking activities. The more active you are, the bigger your share of the airdrop will be. It's wcoin's way of thanking its dedicated community and rewarding those who have supported the project from the start. Market outlook. What's next for wcoin? With the listing date fast approaching, analysts are already predicting a positive price surge for wcoin. Why? It's all about the strong tokenomics, the dedicated community, and the innovative features driving the project forward. The vouchers pre-market and inactivity burn are just a couple of ways wcoin is ensuring active participation and long-term growth. With all these exciting initiatives in play, wcoin is poised to make a significant impact in the competitive cryptocurrency market.